don't take in, so what you do at the top there, you sort of go like this, it's good, and then you sort of take more at the end, so you go like that. So just remember it's 80-10. That's it, yeah. I still think we're getting too, let's lessen the breath a little bit. Remember it's going to be a comfortably full breath. You don't want to be feeling like you're like really full, yeah. Yeah, that was
staggered, yeah.
Yeah, that was staggered. Yeah, let's do it dually. That's it. And right out. So it's got to be comfortably full, Kev. Kev, keep the hands on there just so that I can monitor what's happening. That's good. Good. Now, Kev, does that feel like it's 90% comfortabably full?
Yeah, I feel like I can sing with that. Yeah.
All right, good. Let's just do two more, Kev, and tighten up on the very last two. Tighten up. Good. And breathe out. Tighten up. Excellent. Great. Fantastic.